Hello guys, it's me again, your boy, or should I say your tutorialist Precious. Today I'm going to teach you a simple tutorial of how to make simple fire with Adobe After Effects CC 2015 without you going to buy or download any fire clip from anywhere or from any site. So what I'm gonna show you is just consist of a few tweaks and also a, should I say, just let me put it as a few tweaks. So I'm going to remove this screen right here that you're using to see me right now. I want to remove it so just to make the tutorial a little more advanced. I want to put it on a full screen so that you guys will get what I'm actually doing. So I'm gonna remove it. So first of all, I put it on writing for those who don't understand my language. So first of all, you're gonna create a new file. Just go to new file and new project. So go to composition, new composition, Ctrl N is a shortcut. So I'm gonna put mine on 2K formats for those guys that actually have a slow graphic. For those guys that actually have a slow graphic computer, you should actually reduce the presets. Should actually reduce the format. Like me, I have a little bit fast graphic, so I'm gonna put mine on 2K preset. So after creating the composition, okay, I'm gonna name the composition, let me see, fire. Okay, now click on OK. The next thing you're gonna do is create a new layer. Ctrl Y is the shortcut for it, and I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is look for CC particle world. Like mine, I've already seen it here, I've already typed on it, CC particle world. I repeat, CC particle world. Drag it right here and leave it there, and you're gonna see some little, should I say, tweaks. So what you're gonna do is open the longevity, the producer, the physics. Okay, you can close the longevity, you can leave the rest, but open the physics and open the particles. Yes, the particles. So what you are seeing now is just like explosion, just like some popping out of the center of a screen, just like that. So what you're gonna do right here is go to the physics, and you can see the fire right there. Just put it on fire, and you can see it's just flaming up like fire. Yeah, I have seen a fire that's flaming down before, but if you guys have seen it, I think you guys should show me the clip, because I haven't seen a fire that's flaming down up or sideways before. So I'm gonna leave it there. So let's try the sujet sideways. You can see, okay, it's going down this way. So I'm gonna leave it on fire, and next you're gonna do is go to particles. You can see the reason why the line the reason why you're seeing this line is because the particle types are online. So actually I'm gonna change mine to bubble. The bubble is the best particle type you actually use on creating fire. So I'm gonna increase the birth rate Yes, I'm gonna increase the okay, I'm gonna increase the depth rate, then mass opacity, I'm gonna increase it. Okay, I'm gonna reduce the depth rate a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. So what I'm gonna do is change the color, the depth color. I'm gonna put it a little more reddish. Actually, you can also put it on any type of color you're looking for. If you're looking for a flame that is too red, just change the depth color and also the depth color to red. So what you're gonna do right now is let's see, is you're gonna change the velocity. It's as if you want the bubble and the flame that we're creating right here to look more like a spiral shape. You're gonna increase the velocity, but actually I'm gonna leave mine just the way it is. So I'm gonna increase the inherent velocity just to turn things up a bit. So look at what the inherent velocity does. I'm gonna increase the gravity. Okay, let's reduce the gravity first. You can see the bubbles a little more smaller. So I'm gonna take this arrow. After doing this, just pause the video and take this, then just drag it down a bit. Drag it down to the place you want it to drag. Now the place you want it to be. Actually, I'm gonna leave mine here. So what you're gonna do is create a preset, a pre-comp. Gonna create a pre-comp. Just go to Ctrl+Shift+C. Okay. Yes, Ctrl+Shift+C. Yes, Ctrl+Shift+C. Then you're gonna move all attributes. You're gonna move all attributes into the new composition and you click OK. Yes, OK. After clicking the OK button, you're gonna wait for some time and something like this is gonna appear, and you go to let's wait for a little bit first. You just type echo right here, echo, just type an echo. For those using Adobe After Effects CC 2015, you're gonna type echo. For those using the CS4 version, the CS5 version, you're gonna type a different word. So for right now, only know what you're gonna type for the CC 2015. So right now you're gonna click on enable motion blur. Yes. After enabling the motion blur, you see what's gonna happen, something like this. Okay, right now after enabling the motion blur, then you wait for a minute, you add the echo. After adding the echo, you say okay, we'll put the echo operator to add. You can see this place now look more fiery. Yes, more fiery. Or you can change it to screen, it'll look more reddish. But actually I think okay, you can also try it in composite black and you see what it's doing. You can put it in maximum and you can see, but I'm gonna leave mine on add. So you change the number of echoes to, I think, change the number of echoes to 3, and let's see. Okay, then you what you're gonna do next is add CC vector blur. CC vector blur. So let's see how our fire look like. As you can see, it's starting to look a little bit like fire, but not fire. So we're gonna type CC vector blur, CC vector blur. So you can see it right here, and you put it in, and you type the amount of blur. Like me, I'm going to leave mine on natural, the type, or we can change the constant length, but I'm gonna leave mine on natural. So vector map, okay. I'm gonna change the amount of these to, let me see, 20. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to look more like fire, but I'm gonna change mine to 30. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on 30. So you go right here, and I think you go to blending mode. Okay, then you leave it on add. Okay, then let's see about, okay, let's try this alpha. Okay, the vector map, I think the same. Then we're going the next on the list, I think you can see it's a little more faster. So I'm gonna try the next on the list. We're gonna add the curve effect. The curve effect. Yes, the curves. So let's add the curve effect. You're gonna drag this up a bit and drag this down a bit. Okay. I'm sorry for that. Actually, this is the type of fire that I love, and I love fireballs, so like this. Okay, actually, then you're gonna change let's see, okay, after changing the curve, we're gonna leave this on alpha curve because we're using the alpha curve. Okay, then to make it more fiery, we're going to add something, the draft 3D. Okay, then next what we're going to do right here is, let's increase the start. Okay, that's the number that you're gonna put. So next on our list, we're going to add the CC vector blur and also the CC fast blur. So let's add the CC vector blur first. The CC vector blur. See, okay, then we're going to increase something like this. Okay, increase the amount a little bit. Then okay, type, I think we're still gonna leave it on natural. Okay, then add the CC fast vector blur, the CC fast. Okay, so after that, after creating the new layer, I think we're going to add the lens flare effect. Yes, the lens flare. We're going after adding the lens flare effect. If you didn't guess what I did just now, just click on effect and presets, and your right lens, and you see lens flare, and what you're gonna do is drag the lens down here, and after dragging the lens flare, you go to the dark red, and you're gonna blend it into a screen. Yes, as you can see, something like this. And after that, you will go to the lens flare, and you're gonna make a little bit tweak or something like let's see, something like this, just to make the fire a little bit more flary, and to make it more like a torch. Yes, more like a torch. So what you're gonna do is this. After doing it, okay, after doing something like this, we're going to decrease the flare brightness to something, let's see, something like this, and we're going to take this down a bit. Okay, we're going to take it down a bit. Let's take it down a bit, and you see something. Okay, let's put this. Okay, then you take it down a bit again, just a little tweak, and you'll be over, and you decrease the flare brightness to something like this. Okay, I'm satisfied with this. So you see blending with original. Let's see, about 30%. Okay, I'm gonna take it down a bit, a little. I'm gonna take it down a bit, something like this. Okay, about then right now what you're gonna do is you add your composites, and this, you add them, and let's try something like this. As you can see, it's a little bit like fire, and after, I think that this fire isn't good enough for you guys, but if you just follow the tweak that we made before, and you change the composite, I mean you change the displacement, everything, I think you'll be able to get the type of fire you want. But I'm just showing a quick tutorial of how to create fire, so you can see it's a little bit fast. And what you're gonna do next is I think, if you are satisfied with, like me, I'm satisfied with this, you're gonna render. After rendering it, you send your fire file. I don't need to show you guys, just send to render queue. After rendering a queue, I think you get, okay, let me render mine. Let's see what we are going to get. Spots to render queue. Okay, waiting, let it just export to render queue. I think we'll be done. Okay, let's just wait a bit. Okay, now I think it's on render queue, so I'm gonna change this output to AVI, the best setting, and you just click render. Start clicking render. I think we wait for some time. Okay, after rendering, I think we're going to get something more like this, something like this. Yes, something like this. Yes, as you can see, the fire blurring, and you can see the blue background. But if you want to change, just to make it more elastic, you can see the touch, the lens touch. Just make it, just change the the green background to I'm so sorry for that. Just change the background and everything, and you get the best file. Change the background and the rest, and you get the best file. Like this one I created just now, you can see I made it more in a full screen, so you won't see that below. When I actually aligned to the fire creation with that first, so that's why you see the blur. So I just made a quick effect and quick tutorial. As you can see, let's make it see it more. Now it's rendering. I think we should put it on play, and you can see it's a bit fast. So that's all you need to know about creating fire, and watch out for my next tutorial. So guys, I beg for your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to all my supporters, I love you. And to those my haters, I want you to also know I love you too. And to those my enemies, you guys, I think you'll be out of my love and queue. So goodbye, and goodbye to you all.